Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2019 Mazda BT-50 XT single cab chassis ute, stock reference number 5386. This shape runs from the 9th month 2016 through to the 6th month 2020. It has a P4AT 4-cylinder 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight, left power door mirror in black, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, factory fitted alloy tray with all bolts and brackets, aftermarket Hayman Reese tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right front door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black clock interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, Alpine sat nav head unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons.